Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The US dollar slid across the board as investors waited warily for further news of US trade policy and braced for a week packed with economic data, which may initially provide an indication on whether US President Donald Trump's trade war is hitting home. Brent crude oil prices fell as economic worries from the US-China trade war were pressuring demand. The US-China trade war is dominating investor sentiment in moving oil prices, superseding nuclear talks between the US and Iran and discord within the OPEC Plus coalition. US stocks turned lower while their European counterparts gained as investors monitored progress in tariff talks at the top of an eventful week of corporate earnings and economic data. Tech sector weakness weighed heavily on the S&P and Nasdaq.
The dollar-yen pair plummeted in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. Gold prices skyrocketed in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory. Crude oil prices plummeted in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
Over the next few days, the economic calendar will be filled with essential updates, including high-impact announcements and secondary data releases. These events could provide new insights into market direction and trading strategies. These upcoming releases are essential in understanding broader economic trends. Investors should keep their strategies aligned with the potential impacts these updates may have.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.